Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board's Chief Market Analyst. With September behind us, we have now completed the best third quarter on record in terms of sales reported through TREB's MLS system. Let's jump right in and go over some of the details. Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 11,083 sales through TREB's MLS system in September 2020, a new record for the month of September. This result was up by 42.3% compared to September 2019. Year-over-year sales growth in September continued to be driven by ground-oriented market segments, including detached and semi-detached houses and townhouses. Annual growth rates were also higher for sales reported in the GTA regions surrounding the City of Toronto. Turning to year-to-date transaction levels, following the record third quarter, sales through the first 9 months of 2020 were up by approximately 1% compared to the same period in 2019. So the bottom line is that improving economic conditions and extremely low borrowing costs sustained record-level sales in September, which means we continue to account for substantial amounts of the pent-up demand that built up during the spring downturn. Further improvements in the economy, including job growth, would support strong home sales moving forward. However, it will be important to monitor the trajectory of COVID-19 cases, the related government policy response, and the impact on jobs and consumer confidence as we look forward to the end of the year. Turning to price, the September 2020 MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 11.6% year over year. The average selling price for all home types combined was up by 14%. The average selling price in September was $960,772. On a GTA-wide basis, market conditions tightened in September relative to last year, with sales increasing at a faster pace than new listings. With competition between buyers increasing noticeably, the double-digit year-over-year price growth was commonplace throughout the region in September, resulting in overall average selling price reaching a new record. Now, with all these stats in mind, it is important to remember that the housing market recovery experienced throughout the summer benefited the broader economy as well. Research has found that home sales reported through TREB's MLS system result in billions of dollars in spin-off expenditures, support for tens of thousands of jobs, and billions of taxes paid to all levels of government. Looking forward over the longer term, the demand for housing and the related economic impacts will continue in the post-COVID period as population growth resumes. Policymakers will need to continue their efforts to bring more housing supply online to meet this longer-term demand. So with that said, I look forward to speaking with you again in a month's time. Thank you very much.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.